are watching Tinkerbot Quiz Channel. Get ready! It's quiz time for super smart kids!
Can you guess what is this? That's right, it's tiger. Okay, next question for you. Can you guess what is this? It's elephant. Can you guess it yet? The next question will be a little difficult. Are you ready? Okay, can you guess what is this? Yes, helicopter. Can you guess? Can you guess what is this? Duck. Excellent. Next question. Can you guess what is this? Can you guess it? Wow, clever. It's pizza. Can you guess what is this? Yum, it's cheese. You like cheese? Can you guess what is this? Dog. Very clever. Can you guess what is this? Wow, amazing. It's zebra. Can you guess what is this? Hamburger. Yes. I really want to eat a hamburger. Okay, can you guess what is this? It's difficult. Wall. You can answer it. It's bicycle. Can you guess what is this? It's owl. Excellent. Next question. Can you guess what is this? Can you guess it? It's banana. Can you guess what is this? Oranges. So refreshing. Okay, last but not least. Can you guess what is this? Sunflower. It's beautiful. Okay, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you like it.